Fáilte chuig rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're taking a look at na Téarmaí Gramadaí. All those little buzzwords of grammar that you'll need to know on your journey to becoming an Irish guru. First up is animacle, the nouns of the Irish language. In Irish, the animacle are either masculine, fear-inchganach, or feminine, bon-inchganach. This is commonly referred to as the inchgana, or gender of the noun. In some cases, you have to put a shevu on a word. This is when, for one reason or another, we have to put a H after the first letter of the word. But watch out, the shevu can only come after B, C, D, F, G, M, P, S, or T. In other cases, you might have to put an uru on a word. This is when we place a specific letter before the first letter of a word. The letter combinations are as follows. We put an M before a B, a G before a C, an N before a D, BH before an F, an N before a G, a B before a P, a D before a T, and an N hyphen before a vowel. Some other useful grammar terms are bríthir, the verb of the Irish language, anambríthir, the verbal noun of the Irish language, such as agsúil, walking, dubhríthir, the adverbs of the Irish language, such as gamail, slowly, adiocht, the adjectives of Irish, such as tanny, skinny, adiochialvach, possessive adjectives, such as his, céimna comparáide. This is used to compare animacle and uses the basic adjective, bunchéim, the comparative, breischéim, and the superlative, sorchéim. Réamhacal simplí are simply prepositions using one word, like on. Réamhacal cóithite are prepositions using two or more words together, such as ire, during. Foranam pársanta are personal pronouns, like sé, he. And Gaeilge's special foranam réamhaclach are a combination of a foranam and a réamhacal, such as on him. Agus sin é.